Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord is Ngani Lengani, right? I stepped into this Twitter post, ne? And I thought we should laugh together, right? So, Umashesha posted, if you were asked to describe Siyacela in one word, what would you say? I wanted us to go through the words, right? The first one is the one that killed me by Lady L. Armanyala. Like, I think we are all triggered by Usiyacela at this point, right? And then the other one continued to use the name that the father used, to stupid. Then agri growth ati udoti how do we say that? And then Ubra J says, I think he represents the Zulu brothers well. Hey, I disagree. Having met Zulu guys, having had Abo Zulu Esbaris and stuff, I completely disagree. He does not. And then Ulindo Gushewati, he's fat. Okay, that's his appearance. And then Umakarawar is dead. So mfana, whatever that is. I think what to say is did. I stupid to get bell. And then Kamela Watim, we should actually have him on the podcast at So Penduka. Make it happen. Why? We need answers. We need to understand why aliso. And then Mahlalopo Arake Masepa. Meaning Kile Kona. Meaning he's a right. And then Dalawat, he's a goat. He's a goat. And then Ukamela Wati, he's McG. I cannot believe that they put Siyacela and McG on the same. Oh yeah, no, that killed me. And then Utrev says he's a good looker. Oh, I've not even noticed how he look, because really. And then Uspiso Mbanzati, the real man. And Ustembiso, he's an actor. Because we are actor, we are jalanje. And Umalume ati is a narcissist. And yeah, the word narcissist, I sometimes feel Uguti, it is like way overused. And then Omunye wati, Sne and Siyacela, same WhatsApp group. But can we agree, Uguti, majority of the people in this group are saying, Usiyacela nje asemuthu waselo, Usiyacela nje must just sit down, Usiyacela must do better, or Usiyacela must chip out. Like, that's what I'm getting. I don't know. What word would you use to describe Usiyacela? This is your girl, Disebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.